Hey everyone, what's up? It's Shina with Shine Bright Beauty, and today's video will be a what's in my Ipsy bag. So I have January's Ipsy bag, and for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It's $10 and you get 5 beauty products. Sometimes it's skin related or hair related, nail polish, or makeup. So let's just jump right into the video. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute. It's supposed to, I guess, inspire you and motivate you, so it has almost a gym bag feel. So the first thing in the bag is this little card, and it says I will conquer, and you can fill in the blank. And I actually think this little card is really cute. It's a great way to visualize what your goals are for the new year and what you want to conquer. And so I will probably be filling this out and hanging it up somewhere in my room so I can see it daily as a constant reminder of what my goals are and to keep reaching for them. But let's get on to the fun part. So let's see. The first thing that I have is this contour palette by Color City. I have swatched it, and the, I guess, formula of this is really quite soft. It has more of a satin feel, but on me it's a little bit gray-esque, so I don't think I would be using it on myself as a contour or a bronzer palette. The bronzer color doesn't even show up on my skin tone, but I think it would be really pretty on a lighter skin tone. But then here is that highlight color, so it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. Nothing too crazy, but it's really pretty. So I'll probably definitely be using the contour shade and this highlight shade, but I don't think I'd be using much of the bronzer shade, but that's okay. I'm excited to be trying it, so yeah, let's move on to the second one. So the second product is this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick. I've actually not tried it. This color is in Beauty Mark, and it's a nice chocolate brown color. This is what the applicator looks like, and it's a pretty color. It's this darker brown shade. So this is a liquid lipstick, so it goes on and like a normal gloss, but then it dries. But I was reading about these, and they actually have vitamin E in it, which is hydrating for your lips, and when it dries it doesn't make your lips feel dry, which is something that I look for when I have a liquid lipstick. So I'm actually really excited to try it, and I'll let you know how I like it. Stay tuned for that. So my next two products, so products 3 and 4 in my Ipsy bag, they actually go hand in hand, which is pretty cool. So the first one is from Real Chemistry, and it's a foaming cleanser. They call it their Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser, and this one is actually made with grapefruit and amino acids to hydrate your skin. This clears away makeup, which is great. As a makeup artist, I'm always in makeup, so having a face wash that clears and cleans makeup is really, really nice. But it's also hydrating, but the amino acids allows it to deep clean my skin, which is great. So I, again, haven't tried this, but I'm looking forward to it. And then this fourth product, which again goes hand in hand with the face cleaner, is this hydrating serum from Luway by Jean Seo. And this is a natural product that is designed to help your skin hold on to moisture. It's oil free and hydrating. So if you have oily skin, this is something that's actually supposed to be really good for your skin, but it's also calming and allows your skin to really keep its natural moisture without adding more moisture. I have not tried this. I have never heard of this brand before, and apparently this calming serum is the second step to like a 3-step process that they have that is supposed to help with oil and acne control. So yeah, you are to use this after you wash your face. They suggest using it day and night, so we'll see how my skin does with it. So moving on to our last product is this tweezer from F.A.R.A.H brushes, and this is pretty cool tweezer. I actually haven't seen anything like this yet, but it's a double-sided tweezer, and maybe I'm just not like cool enough to see things like this, but yeah, I'm kind of intrigued. So one side is a pointier side and the other is your traditional angled tweezers, so pretty cool. They feel they're made of metal and they feel really sturdy. They're actually kind of heavy, but I feel that this is a great little side to really precisely get into tweezing brows or anything like that. So that's it for my Ipsy bag for January. If you liked this video and want to see more, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe. You know the drill by now. Everybody knows. But in all honesty, I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you have a great start to a new year. And with that, let's go conquer our goals. You got this, girl. Like, we can do this. See you guys next time.